Hello beautiful blushers. Today I'm going to share a very unique trick that will help you get that fuller pouty lip look effect. And not just that, you've seen Kylie Jenner's lips, right? They are not just full, but you see that little turn on the sides of her mouth that kind of lifts her smile, lifts her face up, and that's kind of very unique. It adds that more youthful punch to your whole look. You'll notice as you're aging, your lips start drooping down on the sides. So this little makeup trick that I'm going to share with you today is going to be phenomenal because it'll not just give you pouty and fuller lips, but also that upturned lip look that looks like it's naturally pouty. I have never done any fillers or anything in my lips, but I'm very excited to share this trick because I've been trying this off late and I get a lot of compliments for it. So I thought, why not share it with you guys? So this trick is very simple. All you need is just two products. One is Mented Cosmetics lip liner called Night, and the lipstick is Nude LaLa, again by Mented Cosmetics. And I have tried a ton of different brown lip liners, but either they are a little too gray or red, or there's some element that just does not meet the criteria that I want. To find that perfect lip liner that looks natural. They have just simplified makeup for brown skin girls. So today I'm going to be using Night lip liner because this is the one that I use the most. This works really well because even if I want to do a dark lipstick, this works great for me. Even if I want to do something lighter or more like a nude look, even then this one works perfectly well. Notice brown girls have slightly pigmented lip line. So for that, you need to get a lip liner that is slightly darker than the lip color that you have on the inside. Nude LaLa is another color that is perfect. It comes with, all the lipsticks come with a lip liner that match the lipsticks. So you automatically have that slightly ombre effect where your lip liner is slightly darker and your lipstick is one shade lighter. Okay, so enough of that information on Mented Cosmetics. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. I just love Mented. I am a Mented mentor. I use their products regularly, and that's why I thought, why not use something that I use myself? So here we begin. Notice both these colors. Night is a tad bit deeper than Nude LaLa lipstick, but it's not dramatically darker than the lip color. So usually you would just take your lip liner, go around your lips and fill your lipstick in. But here is the trick. If you want more pouty lips, you need to contour very differently. I haven't seen anyone talk about this. This is just something that I tried on my own. Like when you contour your cheeks, it creates that shadow. So even when you're contouring your lips, just filling the colors inside your lips is not enough. You need to contour in such a way that you create the shadow effect. Which is why notice when I'm applying my lipstick, I don't just apply it as a regular lip liner, but I apply the lip liner slightly on the outer edges of my lips. And then don't immediately go for lipstick. Start blending this lip liner upwards and outwards. It should not be seen. It should not look like you have a mustache, but blend it enough so it creates a shadow effect, especially right in the center. When you see me draw that line right in the center and blend it, that is the most important thing for this look. It instantly lifts your lip. The center of your lip gets this feel, like lifted in the center. So it creates that pouty lip look effect. Go ahead and blend the lip liner all around your lips, and also the same thing applies to your lower lips as well. And remember, for something like this, you need to have a lip liner that creates shadow effect. Nothing with too much orange or red or purple or any colors. It has to have perfect neutral browns so that they create the shadow effect. Now that you have blended the lip liner, it is time, not yet for lipstick, it's time for the lip liner again. So this time when you outline your lips, again outline it slightly on the outer edges of your lips. You will notice one more thing when you do this. Usually if you just have a concealer around your mouth, which creates a lighter skin effect around your mouth, right? Then when you apply a brown lip liner, it stands out too much. We always think of blending the lip liner inside with your lipstick, but never on the outside. But when you do that, it just makes the whole thing look a lot more seamless. and natural. So go ahead and apply your lip liner. So when you're applying lip liner, don't go all the way till where your lip line actually ends and where your lips actually end. Stop a tad bit before that, and then take the same lip liner and create a little strike upwards. Now this is the trick to getting those Kylie Jenner lips, because she doesn't just have fuller lips, but she also has that shape towards the end which goes like this, like up. And that creates that more lifted lip look. The reason this trick works so well is because when you're aging, your lips naturally droop and the ends of your lips slide down. But by stopping your lip liner just a tad bit above that spot, you are creating a more youthful lip effect. Now these two lines that you've created on the sides, blend these upwards just a tad bit so they are not visible like two lines on the sides of your lips. Definitely don't pull them down, because the whole idea is it should not look pulled down, it has to look pulled up, just like your eyeshadow. So to create that more lifted eye effect, we blend them up and in, right? So the same way when you're doing this with your lips, you again just blend it slightly up and in. That's it. Don't let this line disappear completely. It needs to be seen just a tad bit. And outline your lower lip. This is what your lips should look like. So overall, you'll notice that you're framing your lips really well, so the attention is drawn right here. Now this is how you make your lips appear seamless on the outside. Now talking about making them appear more seamless on the inside, we need to create that slight ombre effect. Otherwise, if you directly apply your lipstick inside this lip liner, it's just going to stand out too much. You know that in 90s you had that makeup trend where you had that dark lipstick and a light mouth inside. We don't want that. So start shading on the sides on the inside of your mouth with the same brown lip liner. Right in the center of my lips, I'm going to draw a vertical line. Then when I apply the lipstick, the Nude LaLa lipstick, I'll blend all these colors together. I'm a big fan of using my ring finger to blend my lipsticks. I think that creates the most seamless effect. But if you want, you can use any of your lip brushes. And voila! And that is the trick to getting fuller and pouty lips without any fillers. For a long time, Kylie said that she did not have fillers. It is just a lipstick trick. But in this case, you really don't need any fillers. This truly is a makeup secret that I want all of you to try. Not because I think any lip shape is right or wrong or thinner lips are not pretty. I think everyone has their own individual beauty. Makeup can enhance any feature that you want to and bring attention to that feature. Everyone has something that's more attractive than the other feature on their face, and it's always better to highlight your strengths and attract attention for that, and also learn how you can take the attention away from your perceived flaws. That's what I have always been talking about. Your beauty is unique. Understand where your beauty lies and enhance that. And that is when it can add to your confidence. And let me know in the comment section below if you liked all the tricks that I shared in today's video. Talking about highlighting your beauty, in the comment section below, share with me what is that one feature that you want to highlight in your face or in your body. I have tricks and hacks for everything in your body. I absolutely love making these videos, and I feel very, very encouraged when you hit that subscribe button, that like button, that share button. Share this link with your friends. Let them know that there is Blush with me-Parmita channel that is absolutely phenomenal. And I also have my presence on Instagram, Facebook fan page and TikTok, so do check me out everywhere. There are different stories, different kinds of posts, entertainment all over my social media, and everything that adds value to your life. I am Parmita, Chicago-based image coach. If you want to work with me one-on-one to enhance your personal strength and confidence, then you can find me at blushwithme.com. I will see you next week. Until then, pout with me and also blush with me. Make sure you take a selfie wherever you post it. Tag me so I can see it too.